This custom home was brought from slab to roof tight in one day using a panel system provided by Atlas Structural Systems. These panels are built to the highest levels of precision and accuracy using the most advanced European technology. During the day before the panel install, the site crew installs all the sill plates following the square check provided by Atlas. Any discrepancies with the concrete are corrected, and the building is brought back square. The first load of panels is dropped off on site, so the crew can begin first thing in the morning. All sill plates are installed in the correct locations, and the job site is cleaned up and ready for installation the next day. The framing crew begins by unloading the bundles in various locations around the job site that will allow for convenient access during install. Partition walls are bundled separately and can be placed on the slab or floor system for installation at a later time. The chains are connected directly to lifting straps built into the wall panels. The panel is then hoisted and walked over to the install location, where it can be lowered onto the sill plate. The crew will attach the panel to the sill plate and release the chains from the panel. While they are securing and bracing the first panel, the next panel can be attached to the chains and brought over for installation. All panels should be brought plumb, braced, and secured before proceeding with next panel install. Top plate extensions are built into the design to allow for corners to tie into each other. The framing crew repeats the process for all wall panels as they work their way around the building, following the provided sequence detailed on the layout sheets provided by Atlas. Within 30 minutes, the crew has approximately half of the exterior walls of the first level installed and braced. The next load of panels is now delivered to site to ensure that the framing crew can continue working once they finish the wall panels from the first load. In just under an hour, all first floor exterior walls have been installed and temporarily braced. Tie plates are used to join collinear panels together. Interior load-bearing walls are installed next, following similar methods to the exteriors. These walls are bundled and sequenced according to the provided layouts. About 30 minutes after finishing the exterior panels, the crew finishes the load-bearing interiors and finalizes some temporary bracing preparing for the floor panel install. This job begins with a roof panel. This panel consists of the roof trusses, sheathing, bracing, and fascia. The panel is attached via built-in lifting straps and installed over the top plate of the wall panels. The crew then begins installing the floor panels, consisting of joists, sheathing, rimboard, LVL, strongbacks, and squash blocks. Lifting straps are also built into these for balanced and safe craning. Top mount hangers are commonly used to aid in install of the panels. All fasteners should be installed in these hangers and floor panels secured to below wall panels. Floor panel seams are finished on site by screwing the sheathing extension to the last joist of the previous panel. Site crew finishes all fastening of hangers, sheathing seams, and loose sheathing before progressing to the next step. This job includes deck panels for a rooftop deck. These are constructed similar to the floor panels, but they are not identical. The framing crew finishes the floor panels for the second level, averaging around 10 minutes per floor panel. They then prepare for the second level wall panel install by placing the bundled walls in appropriate locations for installation. Stair panels are installed at this time as well to provide convenient access to the second floor. They then proceed to install the second floor wall panels, following the same procedure as they had done on the below level. The Tyvek is rolled up at the bottom of the second level, allowing it to be unrolled and complete the positive overlap of the floor system and below level. Within an hour and a half, all the second level load-bearing wall panels are installed and the crew is ready for roof panel install. Roof panels are installed very similar to the floor panels. Typically, 4 lifting straps are included, the chains are attached, and the panel is lifted and installed on top of the wall panel top plates. With the first roof panel installed, framing crews can then begin installing the next panels while utilizing their safety gear. The following panels overlap the previous one over the last truss. The final roof panel is installed approximately an hour and a half after starting the first one. Within 7 hours, the framing crew has brought this custom home from slab to roof tight, completing 2 levels of walls, 1 level of floors, and a roof system. Thanks for watching. To learn more how a panelized system from Atlas Structural Systems could benefit your construction project, please reach out to our team.